Hello there guys, this is Job back again with another Excel tutorial. So here today we're going to learn how to use if statement in Excel. On my first column I have the names of my students, so I'm trying to model students. Then I have fees, and the total fees is 100,000, and the amount paid by each of the students, and we have the status that we are going to generate using our if condition, and then the balance will also generate it using our if condition. So since they're all, I assume they're all taking the same course, that means they're all paying the same amount of tuition, which is 100,000. I just drag and drop to duplicate all the value in all those column, all those rows. Now for my status, I want it to be cleared or not cleared depending on the person's fee standing. If you have a balance, it will say not cleared. If you've paid, then it says you've cleared. So here we need to write our if condition, and to write our condition we begin with the equal sign, and then we use the if keyword. Now if C2, let's take example of the first one only. If cell C2 is equals to if cell C2 is equals to B2, which has the total fees, we should say cleared. Else we should say not cleared. Not cleared, like that, and we close our parentheses. So look at this formula properly. If C2 is equals to B2, if C2 is equals to B2, it should say cleared. Else it should say not cleared. Remember, we're separating them using a delimiter, which is the comma. If you specify your condition, the condition you are trying to check, if it is equals to B2, let it type cleared. Else, which is the last statement, not cleared, will be entered as the entry. So if I hit enter for 50,000, it's not cleared because the fees is supposed to be 100,000. I can just now drag the same thing for all the rest. Now here I only have Jimmy who has cleared because he has paid 100,000 out of 100,000. So we are done with this status column. Let's look at the balance column. For the balance column, we will also apply a similar thing by saying equal sign, and then we put our if statement. We open the parentheses, and then we check the status itself. If status is equals to cleared, so if D2 is equals to cleared, if D2 is equals to cleared, what should be returned? It should just return 0 as the value. Else, remember I'm separating it with a comma. Else, it should subtract C2 from B2. It should subtract C2 from B2. Else it should say B2 minus C2. So that is now for the else part. So if I hit enter here, my balance is 50,000. I can just use that small icon to drag it to down, the small plus icon. Now it drags it, and I am able to see all the balance of my column. But I don't like how they are. I want them to be delimited with a comma. So I'll just format the cells. I've right clicked, then I clicked on format cells, then I click on this number, and then I select this is the format I want. I want 3 decimal places, and I want to use a comma as a separator. So I hit enter. This is how my work has been formatted. So now it's only Jimmy who has cleared. The rest have not cleared, and these are their balances. So thank you so much for watching. Let us meet again with another advanced Excel skill and we proceed with data science. Thank you so much.